Hi team, good morning. So team, see team, see Rajeshwari, yesterday I sent one set of file to all. If anybody are facing any issues, so installing problems, you try to install that software. That is the universal software. It is supported. Okay, Rajeshwari and all team. Yesterday I sent one set of file along with our documents. Okay, please try to download that software and install. Okay. Right, guys. See, what I send that set of file. Once you download it, once it is downloaded, then you will get this type of folder. Just a minute. See, once you download the set of file now, then you will get this type of RAR file. Okay. Once you extracted this RAR file, then you will get one folder, disk1 folder. Disk1 folder you will get. Okay. See here. So after extracted file, click on this disk1 and click on this setup file. Double click on this setup file. Then installation is started. Everything is in the classroom. What I discussed last time. Same steps. Only next only. Only we can set the password only. Enough. Okay, guys. Right. So the next one, in yesterday's session, that is 10th. Right. So in yesterday's session, we started how to create the table. How to create the table. So to create the table, create table name of column name, data type size, column 2, data type size, column 3, column 4, just like bowling, and bracket close, semicolon. Right. So to declare any table name or column name, we have some restrictions. We have some restrictions. What are the restrictions? Every table name or column name should be start with an alphabet. Every table name or column name should be start with an alphabet compulsory. Special characters are not allowed. Only $hash underscores are valid. Remaining things are not valid. Variable reservoirs are not allowed, like create, alter, drop. These are the keywords. Oracle keywords are not supported. And minimum maximum length of table name is 1 to 30 characters, not like 32. Okay, na? 1 to 30 characters only. Right, guys. So these are the valid and invalid table names we discussed. Right. Now I try to execute this command in my user. So copy this, copy this. See, I try to log into my user. SQL plus you can type, press enter. SQL plus enter. What is the username? ORA 7 AM. By password is tiger is the password, right? Yes. Now here you connected to SQL prompt. On this SQL prompt only we can practice our SQL queries. We can practice, guys. Okay. See, first table. This is the table I want. So create table. Table name is employee is the table name. Bracket begin. Employee ID. I declare as number of 2. I declare comma. Enter. Okay. Now ename. Varchar 2 of 10. I declare comma. Next column is salary. Number of 8, 2 or 7, 2. DEPT and O, number of 2. Then bracket close, semicolon. Observe, guys. Once place a semicolon, then your query is ended, completed. Then request goes to database. Now the query executed. See, enter. Yes, table is created. See, guys, once you get this message, the table created successfully. Table created successfully. Our table is created, guys. Okay, right. If you forget username password Dinesh Kumar, you just log on to DB user and you can change. But once you forget the username is go to the DBA user. I already discussed one query na, to find the usernames. Okay. If you forget the password, simply you can change the password in DB user. Enough. Okay. Now table is created. Yes. I want to see select star from tab. Select star from tab. See. What are the tables are created? Here we can see these tables. Okay. So to see the created list of the tables, select start from tab. Tab is Oracle predefined table. Oracle predefined table. Now this table can hold all object names, tables, views, indexes, all are it holds. This is okay. Select start from tab means it displays total all tables. Right. So one more example, guys. One more example. Create a bank master table with, suppose today you try to open one account in bank, no? So, ఆ మూల పక్కన ఉంది కదా, అదేరా వాషింగ్ మిషన్ పక్కన నుంచి పెట్టేసి ఇందిరా కర్ర పైకి ఉంటుంది. So create bank master table with, suppose you try to create one new account in the bank. So they give one application, fill your application, your data is stored in bank database. So if you want to store your details in bank database now, in the bank database server, compulsory they created one table, because inside the table only we can store the data. So what are the columns required? Create bank master table with account number, customer name, account number, customer name. Next one is address, mobile number, mail ID, account opening date, account type. Account type means that account is their account is savings account or current account. That is opening date, account type. Next one, balance. These are the columns required. Just here we discussed only 8 columns. Only here we discussed with real time. They're maintaining approximately 20 to 30 columns they're maintaining. Okay, just only here we discuss only few columns only. What are the remaining columns? The remaining columns like first name, middle name, last name, okay na, Aadhaar number, PAN number, customer photo, customer signature. These are different columns. But here we try to maintain the customer photo also. Okay na, customer photo, signature, and the opening date, the account type, and the balance. Right, guys? Now I want to create the table right now, guys. I want to create the table by using these columns. So table creation. Create table. Table name is bank master table of. What are the columns required? First one is the account number, AC Anwar declare. Guys, account number is, tell me guys, account number, what you declare, number or varchar data type, which is suitable? The account number column, which data type is suitable? Number or varchar? Number, okay. Varchar. Yes. See guys, account number we can declare number or varchar. Generally that is decided by client. Okay na? Because we cannot declare directly number, because based on the client input, only we can declare the data type. Suppose the clients are using data type data like account number SBA1, SBA2, SBA3, just like suppose, then declare varchar. But some clients are using Account number just like only. Then number. But the number or varchar that is decided by client input. Client input. Yes. But 99% we are using varchar, sir. Varchar we are using. Varchar to of some 60 or 10. What it mean? Why are you using varchar, sir? Why are you using varchar? Suppose one client is making data in this scenario. Some clients are using data in this scenario. Just like one. Actually, these are the numbers, na? But preceding zeros also it should be placed. If you want to place preceding zeros, varchar is required, sir. Because in number data type, once you input preceding zeros, zeros are not considered. Only one is taken. Okay, na? If you want to display zeros also, preceding compulsory should be declared as varchar. So 99% we can declare as varchar only. We can declare this. Okay. Next, customer name varchar common varchar 2 of some 20. Next one is address varchar 2 of 30. Mobile number data type number of 10. Mail ID varchar 2 of 20. Customer photo blob. Customer signature CLOB. Opening date date. Account type. Account type means number data type. Account type means we can declare as CAR data type, CAR of 1. Because account type is either savings or current account, suppose. If it is savings account, I should input yes, sir. If it is current account, I want to input C. So savings account or current account declare as yes, sir. Balance. Number of 8 comma. Then bracket to semicolon. Okay, guys. These are. Right, guys. Right. Customer signature, guys. Sign SHN. Customer signature, I declare as CLOB. Okay. Customer photo BLOB. You can take BLOB also here, but just you can say different inputs only. You can say, guys. Right, guys. This is now here I do the copy and paste here. Yes, table is created. SHGN sign. Spelling wrong na. SHGN na. Okay. Signature. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Here, spelling mistake. No problem. If the spelling mistakes are there, we have alter command is there. In the alter command, we can change. Okay? No issue. I can change at the time of discussing alter command. Okay, guys? Right. So I think everybody gets idea about how to create the table, right? Now I try to give some examples or try to create the tables. Okay. Suppose you take one library table first of all. Library database. Library table if you want to create. The library now. First one is bank underscore master table. First one is bank. What are the columns required for bank? Not bank master, book master. Book master table. Right. Lakshmi, I can check. Okay, I can check before ending this session. Okay. Number of columns means, guys. Number of columns means here yesterday I discussed maximum 1024 columns are allowed. Maximum how many columns are 1024 columns are allowed. And also how to define these number of columns are required. Actually, that is designed by database designer. Actually, we are the developers. We are generally the developers work on the existing tables, and you can develop the code actually. Okay, database designers can design the tables. Okay, guys. If MNCs, if any startup companies are there, everything is prepared by you only. Okay, you can analyze the project. You can design the tables. You can create the tables. You can develop the code. You can deploy the code. Everything is done by you only. If any startup companies actually. Okay, right. Now, book master table, what are the columns required? Book master table, book ID is required, book name, author name, book ID, book name, author name. Right. One more table, stock table. What it contains? Serial number, yes date, stock date, book ID, and number of books. Number of books. This is stock table. One is student table. Student ID, student name, class, and book issue table. Transaction number is required. Transaction date is required. The book is issued to which student? Which book is issued? Book ID, student ID, book ID, date of issue, date of return, fine, and the remarks. Okay, so these are the columns are required in book return, book issue table. These are. Okay, guys. These are. Try to create the tables, guys. First table is book master table. First you can create. Next one is stock table you can create. Next one is student ID and the book issue table. Try to create the tables. Okay. By using these are the column names. These are the column names. Number of, I didn't understand what you're asking. Sir, can we give number of columns in a table? That means Number of columns in a table means right. Next one is one more example, e-commerce application. We know already e-commerce application, we discussed customer table is required, customer master table. All it contains customer ID, customer name, address, mobile number, and mail ID. Next, order table is required. If you to elaborate designing, item table is required. Item master table, item ID, item name, and cost. Next, order table. What it contains? Order ID, order date, order date, item ID. Which item ID is ordered? Which customer is ordered that item cost, and remarks. So these are the columns required in e-commerce. Just to we discuss only little bit of columns only, guys. Okay, now? Right. So these are the tracking database table. If you want to track your item, what it contains, guys? Order ID is there. Item ID is there. And which customer is ordered, and location where that item is. Every time location is updated. Okay, na? This is the tracking database table. Item tracking table. Okay, guys. Try to create these tables. Right. Now here you got some idea about this, how to create the table. Okay. Fine. What is the next command? Alter command. Next one. What the next command is? Alter command. See, guys. Create is completed, na? Next one is alter command. Next one. Guys, yesterday I sent documents to everyone. Everybody got the documents. If anybody is missing, please ping your mail address in the chat box. I can send today also. If anybody is missing, yes, mail it is in the chat box now. Now you can put the mail address in the chat box. Okay. So, yes, if anybody is not getting enough, please put the chat box your mail IDs. Again, actually, yesterday I got only approximately 20 to 25 mail IDs only. Okay, please check, and again we can send. Next one is alter command, guys. Alter command. So this command used to modify structure of the table. This command used to modify structure of the table. What is structure of the table? See, suppose here my table is created, guys. My table is created. Two tables are created. CL SCR. That is called clear screen. Yes. CL SCR. This is called to clear the screen. Okay. I created two tables now, employee table and bank master table. Tell me, guys, in employee table, what are the columns are there? What are the order of the columns? Tell me with your with order. Employee table. Employee ID. What next column? employee name, salary, department. Okay. In bank master table, exactly order of the columns required, but we forget. Okay, today remember, tomorrow remember, after 1 week or 10 days, are you remember order of the columns and how many columns are there inside the table? Are you remember? No. Right or wrong? Yes. In this scenario, Oracle provided. In this scenario, Oracle provided one command is provided, guys. That command is describe command. Describe table. Describe table name. Describe table. It returns structure of the table. It returns structure of the table. It returns. See an example, guys. Describe table name. Describe table name. Here are right. What is the table name? Employee. See, guys, employee ID, number, employee name, salary. Describe bank master. Bank master table is created. What is the table created? Bank master complete. Okay. Let's see. Record number, where to 16, customer name. Just we can see. This is the describe command. It returns structure of the table. Structure of the table, it returns. This is nice. Okay. Right. So next one is alter command. This command used to modify structure of the table, and also alter command executed on table structure only. Execute on table structure only. Means the alter command main functionality to modify this structure of the table, we can modify. And this command execute on table structure only it is. And also it has 4 options. It has 4 options. One is add. Second one is modify. Third one is rename. Fourth one is drop. These are the 3. So now here. So add means add a column, modify a column, rename a column, and drop a column. That is right, guys. First one is add option. First one is add option. This option is used to add new column or columns. into existing table. Okay, guys, this is this option used to add new column or columns into existing table. Means employee table, we have 4 columns are there. I want to add one new column. I want to add job and remarks I want to add. Okay. So example, to add a job column. So then alter table employee. Okay. Add of job varchar 2 of 20 icon. Suppose to add 2 columns. To add a job comma remarks columns. So then alter table employee add job comma remarks. Remarks varchar 2 of some 20. Here we can add single column or we can add more than one column also. Here I am executing this command. Now I try to add 2 columns. Observe this. Table is altered. Table is altered. Describe table. See? Yes, 2 columns are added. Actually, somebody has some doubt actually. What the doubt is? Sir, I want to add a job after salary column. I want to add job after salary column I want to add. Is it possible? Guys, it is not possible, guys. Not possible. Because by default in Oracle database, no, the new columns are added at the end of the existing we take columns only. Okay, na? That is. So, team, what are the doubts you have regarding user creation, installation process? If you are facing any problems, guys, today I can schedule one separate session at 2 or 3 o'clock today. By today, 2 or 3 o'clock, I schedule one session. Okay. Try to, if anybody is facing any problems regarding software installation, you connect to that link. The link I can mail you. But today, I will mail you. Please check your mail IDs before 2 o'clock. We can check. You will get one Zoom link. Okay. Just connect to that link now. If any issues are there, I can resolve. Okay, guys. Please, Mac OS is not supported, Shailaja. Okay. Mac OS, we are facing some problems. Do one thing. Do one thing, Shailaja. Try to install VMware. That is better actually. Okay, na? VMware and install Oracle 8A. Oracle 8A or what I sent that yesterday. You can install that one also. That is better actually. Fine. Muhammad, means what you want? You want to find out number of columns in table. If you try to find number of columns in table, we have a separate command. I will discuss that one also. Okay, na? Right. So, see guys, if anybody is missing your mail IDs, please put in the chat box. I can send the link by today. Okay. If anybody is not given, please. Shiprasad, yesterday I sent one mail. Please check. Whatever it may be, Rajeshwari, whatever it may be, if any issues, not an installation, user creation is problems, any problems, connect to that time. Okay. Fine. So alter table employee, add job varchar to of 20 remarks. So next one is modify. So this command is used to modify, means used to add, used to change, or used to increase, or decrease size of the column, or to change data type of the column. This command used to increase or decrease size of the column. Fine. Right. Okay. This command used to increase or decrease size of the column or to change the data type of column. Now, see guys, in employee table, employee ID right now how much? Number of 2. Now I want to increase the size. Okay. Okay, Shailaja, you try to install first VMware and install OS. Okay, na? Our network admin team help you, no problem. Okay. So to change or to increase employee ID column size, then alter table employee, modify. What I want to modify? Employee ID column. How much you try to modify? Number of 4. Enough. Alter table employee, modify employee ID number of 4. Yes. Right. Right. Check the employee table. As it is changed number of 2 to number of 4. It is changed. Right, guys? Right, guys. Next one is to change data type of a column. Data type of a column. Example, to change EMP ID column number to varchar. Already employed how much? Number data type, na? I want to change it into varchar. I want to change it into varchar. So then alter table employee modify EMP ID varchar 2 of 4. Enough. Enough, guys. Alter table employee. What we try to modify? Employee ID varchar 2 of 4. Yes, table is altered. Describe employee. Yes, it is changed. Yes, it is changed. This is the example, guys. Okay, na? But one important point. You have one condition, sir. Employee ID column must be empty. Okay. Inside this column, if there is no data, then it is possible, guys. Otherwise, not possible. We cannot change. Okay. Note, employee ID column must be empty. No data. Then it is possible. Right. So next one is rename. What is the rename? Column name. Rename column name. This command used to rename a column name. See one example, guys. To rename column, customer SAGN, I given SANG, I given to customer SHN. See, guys, previously by mistake I given SANG. I want to change, right? I want to change it to GN. Okay. So alter table bank underscore master rename column old column name. What the old column name? SA customer SANG to customer SAGN. Enough. Alter table bank master rename column old column name to new column name. Yes, table is altered. Describe bank underscore master. See, guys, now it is right. It is good, na? Everything is in our hand, guys. Everything is provided by database. Okay, na? You try to implement the query only. Everything is there actually. This is. Next one is fourth one is drop. That is called as column. Used to drop unused columns from the database permanently. So inside the table, if any columns are not required, I want to drop this remarks column. Yes, we can drop by using. So to drop a single column, alter table employee drop column remarks. Enough. Or else to drop multiple columns. Then alternative employee drop off columns. Remarks, comma, job, comma, remarks. This is the case. Describe employee. Yes. Yes. Guys, at the name of practice, don't give SQL. Okay, na? SQL is command only. Command prompt. This is your okay. You can type this one only, guys. You can type this one. Okay. Up to here in the alter command, 4 options are completed, guys. In alter command, 4 options: add, modify, rename, and drop. Alter command is completed. Next, alter is completed. What is the next one? Rename. But you are confusing. Sir, just now we complete rename, sir. Again, rename comes. This rename is different, guys. This is the table rename size. Okay. Rename. This is called as table name. Table name. Okay. By using alter command, alter rename is column rename. Alter rename is column rename. Direct rename function is to table rename. To rename a table name. Okay, guys. Right. So next session we will continue this rename, table name, and truncate, drop. Okay. These comments we discuss one by one, guys. Guys, do the practice every day, at least 1 to 2 hours. You should be practice, guys, because practice is most important in our computer subject. It is not like to history, politics. Okay, now. So practice most important. Once you do the practice, then you will get the knowledge. Okay, don't read the document. Okay, do the practice and different examples, guys. Okay, and today I send one link to all. Okay, try to join the link. Okay, and what are the software problems you are facing? If anybody are facing the software problems, then try to connect that link. Okay, Dharni also, you also. You are not available. Okay. In Lakshmi, it is not possible. You can write the 2 comments separately. Okay, I can share the link. Okay. Do one thing, just wait. Harita and Dharani, uh, ping me on which time you are free. Ping me in the chat box. Okay, na? Right. See, guys, I am placing that software links. Software links are available which day? I forget actually. The 3rd October, 4th October, 3rd October, 4th, 5th October. Actually, software links are available, guys. Yes, here. Yes. Software links are available in our 5th October file. Okay, na? 5th October file, it is available. Okay, thank you. Here I place that chat box. please check the chat box, guys. I send the links and the installation steps also. Okay. 11G, Harish, yesterday I sent 11G. Please check the mail. In the mail, 11G setup file is there. Okay. Dharani, I have some work. That's why. Tomorrow, after complete the session, I can check. Okay, Dharani? Right. Yes, guys, I save your mail IDs, all your mail IDs, and I send this document. Okay, guys? Right. Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Prashant Kumar, please, already you mentioned the chat box, na? Mail ID. Today I can send again all documents. Okay? Setup file also today. I attach. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Recording stopped.